Hi folks, Tim Fasano. I'm in my Squatch blind. If I was bird hunting, man, I'd have it made. I just turned a gator. You probably heard it when I turned the... You hear that gator going right into the water. I go with a... All kinds of stuff happens as soon as I turn the camera on. Usually it's the other way around. My name is Tim Fasano. I'm a nature photographer from Tampa, Florida. And I use the same tactics that hunters use, except for I'm looking for a very elusive animal. Part legend, part myth, part folklore, whatever you want to call it. It's called the skunk ape, the southern version of the Sasquatch, or the Bigfoot. One of the tactics I use is I like to sit in a certain spot where there's an abundance of nature. I can see the sun setting from here. I can see the birds flying all around in the sky. And they're swarming too. Something got them riled up. And it wasn't me. There's a gator over there. He's a little one though. I saw him on the tree log. It's sort of dark and foreboding today, and a lot of green ferns and plant life, and Florida's green. There's a lot of green. That's why they call it the green swamp. I'm going to be heading over there in a little bit, see what's making that noise. But it's part of the peace I get. I'm out here. I suffer from hypertension. Take medicine for it. Was exercising. I got to get back to that. Just sitting there in the peace.